Hey everyone, welcome back. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to customize your design on Squarespace in 2026. So if you want your website to look more professional, clean, and fully branded, this guide will walk you through everything step by step. First, log into Squarespace and open your website dashboard, then go to the design section from the sidebar menu. Next, click on Site Styles. This is where you control fonts, colors, spacing, and overall visual appearance of your website. Now change your fonts. Pick a clean, readable font for headings and a simple style for body text to keep your site professional. Next, update your color palette. Try to stick to 2 or 3 main colors so your design stays consistent and not overwhelming. Now adjust spacing, padding, and section layout. Small spacing changes can make your website look much cleaner and more modern. Next, go to individual pages and customize them separately. You can rearrange sections, add banners, or change page-specific layouts. Now preview your website in both desktop and mobile view. Make sure everything looks balanced and readable on all devices. And that's it, you've successfully customized your Squarespace design. Keep experimenting with styles until your website perfectly matches your brand. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials like this.